Hey everybody, Chris here. With Dogecoin still trading in a downtrend, it's stable right now, but still in an overall downtrend, as is the entire crypto market. We are in a bear market, and Doge is just following along with some dips that are happening now and then. Market makers move the price down, and then the price recovers as people buying up the dip, but we could see dippier dips going forward. We'll take a look at that, and we'll also compare it to Bitcoin as well and what Bitcoin is doing, because that relationship between Doge and Bitcoin is interesting to watch and to follow. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I certainly appreciate the support. And also, I'll be doing live streams again on Friday nights. This is Friday Boston time, 7 o'clock. And so Friday night, please join Chris live, and we can have some good interaction in the chat and look at the charts and the news and what is going on. So what is going on right now? Well, you get a tweet from Elon Musk about Dogecoin again. Actually, it was a response to a tweet, and I'll show you that in a little bit. Usually the responses to tweets don't have as much effect as the actual, if it's an actual tweet about Dogecoin. Dogecoin price moves up, and then it just dumps right back down. I tweeted about that last night, and it was just kind of disappointing. You kind of hope Dogecoin can kind of trade back up and be able to hold a little bit of gain. But right now, the overall sentiment of the market, really since the UST Luna crash, has been pretty bad. And as I've been saying, the overall economy still isn't great. And, you know, a lot of people just aren't throwing a lot of money into cryptocurrency and altcoins. People are accumulating some Bitcoin, and I do hear about people buying Dogecoin down here at these prices, but it's not a lot, and it's not that big influx of money into the crypto market that's going to take us, pull us out of the bear market and head into altcoin season again. Certainly we would like to see that, but that's probably not going to be for some time. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the charts and the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. So here's Dogecoin currently trading about where we were 24 hours ago here in the upper sevens. This is the Dogecoin chart in 30-minute, but I want to zoom out a little bit. I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart here to show you the 4-hour. This is the 4-hour chart, and back since May 12th, or May 11th, when Dogecoin dumped down with that whole UST Luna thing, Doge actually came all the way down to 6.6 cents back here. Incredible quick drop, came right back up, but that was a big dip. Since then, Dogecoin had recovered, but it's been in this slow downtrend is how Doge has been trading. I was thinking it was going to stay up here around 9 cents here back on May 13th. And then I thought, well, maybe it looks like it's a new bottom at 8.5 cents. Traded up and down around that, was looking at this little uptrend here back on May 21st, 22nd. And it's dropped below that. So that is a downtrend. But we look at Bitcoin as well. And what has Bitcoin done? Bitcoin's drop back here on the 11th and 12th wasn't as great as Dogecoin's. And you see Bitcoin also in a downward trend. But that downward trend isn't quite as steep of an angle as Dogecoin's. So when we say Bitcoin is a store of value, right now that store of value is a little more stability than what the altcoins are doing, and particularly Dogecoin. And where do we see that? We see that on this chart, the Bitcoin dominance chart. This is the percentage of the overall crypto market that is the market cap of Bitcoin. And here we were back on May 11th and May 12th, and Doge was around 42% of the market. But with that UST and Luna crash here, a lot of people were getting out of altcoins. So this percentage of Bitcoin raised up to almost 45% here, and then went sideways. But since then, what's been happening? There's been a shift more out of altcoins and more into Bitcoin. It's been slow. This hasn't been a huge immediate thing, but with Bitcoin now over 46%, that's a big deal, and that's a telling sign in terms of what I think in the overall crypto market, that there's more confidence in Bitcoin right now than there is in other coins. So, so again, looking at Doge in this downtrend, uh, where's the bottom going to be going forward? We certainly don't know. If the downtrend continues, we could see Doge continuing to trade sideways and then have some more dips. We look at something like Ethereum, though. You think Ethereum is going to trade well. Look at Ethereum, though. Ethereum is trading down and had a little bit more of a dip here. 1,700 Ethereum now. So that's just the way the trading looks, and it's across the board on every one of these altcoins. You look at Litecoin, and Litecoin is down. You look at Cardano, and Cardano is down. You look at Algorand is like, all of these are trading down. Harmony One trading down. XRP now below 40 cents, trading down. So that's the overall status of the market. Now, it's not these aren't crashes, like we saw back here in, May 10th, 11th, and 12th, when that whole Luna thing was going on and people were just were dumping their crypto and getting out. This has been a sort of slow, steady decline, and I think it's going to be kind of going on for a while. We're going to see the sideways trading. Now, the sideways trading, if let's zoom into the hourly here and we look, there are opportunities within this to make money if you're a trader. There is swing trading going on. People look for the indicators as certainly on the RSI here, relative strength index here when Doge dumped down to 7.5 cents. There was an indicator on the RSI that this was a buying opportunity right here. And people who bought that dip at 7.5, right now you're a little up if you're trading. Now that's for traders. I know a lot of us are hodlers in it for the long term and are dealing with the trading, but there's a money to be made in trading, and there are people who are doing it. I mean, the volume is still overall relatively low. You see this really flat trading here, like we saw the 24th to the 25th, and you see the volume really low because there just wasn't much action. I call this more bot trading than anything else because I don't think there was really a lot of active trading going on. But when you see these dips like this, though, then that volume picks back up. And you see people buying, and then you see this little tick up right here where Doge came up over 8 cents. That was Elon Musk. So what did Elon Musk do? Well, this article says why Elon Musk's tweet failed to move Dogecoin price. Dogecoin did have a quick spike up, but then came right back down. This was a response to a tweet. Dogecoin Trillionaire, the movie, the little popcorn thing. That's kind of cute. So Elon tweets Dogecoin, but it was a response to a tweet. There was this sort of immediate kind of trade up on the price, and it came right back down. So this is on the hourly chart. So that was all within an hour. If I zoom in even more to 30 minutes, you can see again right here, even the 30-minute just came up and back down. Big volume, though. People who are buying up here, I don't know, buying Dogecoin over 8 cents right now while it's still kind of going sideways may not be the best price. But again, if you're looking at long-term Dogecoin, buying Dogecoin at 8 cents, if you believe in Doge, longer-term hold, 8 cents, good price. I mean, certainly a year ago when Dogecoin was 40, 50 cents, I think Doge could go back to 8 cents. You'd be like, yeah, I'll buy Doge at 8 cents. Well, here we are below 8 cents. So, that's your choice. Again, not a financial advisor. I'm just showing you the charts and telling you what I'm doing trading. And I'm not buying right now. We're still in this downward trend here, and we'll see how this goes going forward. So with Dogecoin trading down at these levels, when are we going to see this downtrend turn back into an uptrend? It's going to be a little while, guys. It's just not going to happen really anytime soon. I mean, when I was doing my video the other week about a 50% gain of Dogecoin price, it was just like looking at what it would take to get back up to that level. And I said it wasn't going to happen anytime soon. Someone's commenting, you said it was going to raise 50%. No, I didn't. I said this is what it looks like for 50%, and that it's going to get there. It's just going to take a while. That's what I recall. I said, anyway, here we are. Dogecoin's still here at this level that we probably didn't think a year ago it would ever be down this low, but we are here now. This is where Doge is trading. And like I said earlier, we could see more dips. So for those that are accumulating Doge, this is a good accumulation time, I think, looking for those dips, as well as Bitcoin and other coins as well. I know there's a lot of people who still aren't putting money into the crypto market right now. I'm certainly not right now. I'm not buying a lot of crypto at the moment. I'm kind of waiting for things to play out into the summer and see how it goes. Let me know in the comments below what you think about Dogecoin in this downtrend, somewhat stable. Do you think there's an uptrend soon? Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.